Now, many people just head over and launch their tokens on pump.fun. But if you look at this list, you'll see that dozens of coins are launched every few minutes. You simply cannot succeed in such a saturated market. However, there is a solution. We have the chance to launch our tokens on Raydium, a DEX, where the competition is 10 times lower than pump.fun. The frequency of new launches here is much lower because people usually need coding skills to launch on Raydium. That's why most projects on this network are more substantial, with higher market caps and better volume. We want that volume, but most of us aren't coders. Well, let me tell you, that isn't a hurdle anymore. I'm going to show you how to launch your coins here and attract thousands of investors so you can pull in insane profits just like I do. To demonstrate, I'll create a brand new wallet and walk you through the entire process live. I found a site called SplixFun, which allows you to launch your coin directly onto Raydium. This is a game changer because we can skip the coding and build coins with just a few clicks. I've been using it for a while now, and the results have been great. So, let's get prepared and start creating our coin right now. The first thing we need is a logo. The trick is to use something trending to grab attention away from other coins. I usually go with a trending meme, a celebrity, or a video game. Anything that draws eyes. This time, I'll use a cat. These little guys always perform well for me. Ensure your logo is 128 by 128 pixels and download it. Now we're ready for the next step. Now we head back to SplixFun and connect our wallet. Just grant the permission and confirm it. In this section, you just add the basic details for your coin. For the name, I'll go with Silly Cat, and for the symbol, I'll use Silly. Finally, attach the logo we created and click Next. These are the tokenomics. Don't change these numbers as they are already optimized. In the description, I'll just write, Silly Cat is now a memecoin. Also, we will need this total supply of 1 billion later, so just hit Next. Here you can add social media links. If you have them ready, go ahead. But I never use them, and it still works perfectly, so I just skip it. These next settings are vital. You must leave them all on. If you disable any of these, your coin will likely be dead on arrival. For example, if you disable Revoke Freeze, you retain the power to freeze the coin and stop transactions. Everyone can see these security checks, and if you turn them off, nobody will invest. Keep them on and click Launch My Token Now. Wait a moment, and your wallet will pop up. It will ask for standard transaction permission, so click Proceed, then Confirm, and finally check and confirm the transaction. As you can see, your coin is officially live. Here you can check any info you need. For instance, let's look at SolScan. On SolScan, you can see your coin is officially on the Solana network. But there is one more step before people can trade, and you can take your profits, creating the liquidity pool. Without liquidity, no one can trade your coin. So let's click here to set it up. Make sure your wallet is connected first. Now we just select our token from the top field. After you select it, we need to enter Amount Token A, which is our 1 billion supply. We will use 900 million, so let's choose it, press 90% button. Now we need to enter Amount Token B, which is Solana. You can put a high amount here. Since you are the first buyer, you essentially can't lose money. It can only go up, so I always press max. Now everything is ready, so click Create Pool, confirm the transaction, and your coin is finally available. After we created token, we need to track token chart, so let's just press View on Raydium button so it can redirect us to chart. Now we just wait for people to buy and claim our profit whenever we want. You'll see some small buys, but those are just bots. Be patient and refresh the Raydium portfolio page until your position appears at the bottom. We just got our first big buy for $180, 1.34 Solana. There are bots doing tiny transactions, but after 6 minutes, we have our first real buyer. Let's wait a bit more. Okay, another buy for $54, 0.4 Solana. We're doing well. The chart is growing bigger and bigger. We'll wait until we have enough volume. As we speak, another small $20 buy came in. the liquidity is improving. Okay, this one is huge. Almost $150 more for us. Look at that. Time to exit. Quickly go to the Raydium portfolio section, ensure your wallet is connected, click Standard, and then click the minus button. Use the slider to select 100%. This shows how much liquidity you can withdraw. Click Remove Liquidity and confirm. I should mention this is for educational purposes. You'll get a confirmation that the liquidity was removed. Now for the best part. Open your wallet and look at that. We tripled our investment in just minutes. Remember, you can do this repeatedly until you're satisfied. I can tell you the success rate is at least 90%. Again, this is all for educational purposes. I am not affiliated with Raydium, SplixFun, Photon, or DexScreener, but I'll put the links in the description. If you want to make good money, this is the path. Use it well while you can.